In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email address on Zoho. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you update your email without any issues. Let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to Zoho Accounts. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Zoho Accounts URL, or you can simply find it by searching Zoho Accounts in your search engine. Once you're on the Zoho Accounts homepage, you'll be greeted with an interface designed to give you quick access to all your personal information stored with Zoho. Next, focus on locating and clicking on the section labeled Email Address. This step is quite important as it leads you directly to the area where you can manage and update your email details. If you're having trouble finding it, look for a tab or option that explicitly mentions email. This is your gateway to making changes. Once you've clicked on the Email Address option, it's time to proceed by clicking on Add Email Address. This button allows you to input a new email to be associated with your Zoho account. Think of this next phase as paving the way for your future communications and notifications to reach you at your desired address. Now that you've clicked on Add Email Address, it'll prompt you to type in the new email address you wish to use. Enter it carefully to avoid any typos, as an incorrect entry could lead to issues in receiving emails. Once you have double-checked and confirmed the new email address, move on to add it officially. After confirming the address is correct, click on Add to finalize the inclusion of your new email. This step integrates your new email into the system, ensuring all future correspondences are directed accurately. At this point, you may also want to consider removing the old email address if you no longer intend to use it. Doing so can prevent any ongoing emails from being sent to an address you may no longer monitor regularly. By following these easy steps, you've successfully updated your email address on Zoho. Remember, keeping your contact information current is crucial for receiving timely updates and communications from Zoho. Should you encounter any difficulty or need further assistance, Zoho's customer support is always available to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. For more helpful tutorials, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, happy emailing